Hey guys, this is Priyanka. Welcome to my Delta review. Delta is one button forces Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp to pay us $21.63 an hour without any technical skills. So, this is the sales page of Delta. I have attached the sales page link in the description box. You can give it a go. So, Delta is a totally unique and fresh product which will practically sell itself. All you need to do is queue up the emails and enjoy the commissions. We They also go all out in terms of copy design VLC. Long story short, they'll guarantee you traffic converts period. So it's 21.63 per hour guide included. They are also including off the road folks made. Their off road folks made $8,129. So works as a side hustle or full time. Unlock your full potential, protect and provide for your family so you can travel and live life to the fullest and zero risk and 365-day guarantee. Succeed or they'll spend you $200. So they have attached the looking proof for this works. So these are the proofs they have attached for everybody. So in fact, 11 offshore strangers also made a total of $8,129. They have also attached to the person's thing for photo. It's just two. I guess it's the two easy steps that everybody can do. Step one is activate. You should enter your details into the simple software. Step two, relax and you will get the money paid on autopilot. So I guess these two steps can easily change your life. So many of you, life has been so hard for many of them, just especially in terms of money. Life is hard enough without having to worry about money too. So without money, the only things you can look forward to a job for a life, fresh dreams, Medicare extension, death, loans and stress, bills and mortgage, an empty stomach, arguments with loved ones, pain, regret, and guilty. So whether you're desperate, whether you want extra, you want to get rich, you need a solution that works. So you're probably thinking, what's a solution to it? So in fact, you can also avoid to shine objects, outdated methods, selling on objects. There are lots of tons of method doesn't work. Like shining objects, outdated methods, selling on Amazon, drop shipping, creating digital products, selling, setting up a website and local marketing. So this can be your life-changing opportunity for thing. You can put food on table, provide for his family, provide protection for your family, live a comfortable life, avoid stress and be healthy so you can enjoy your life in an existing exciting existence. So this, what makes this you special and unique? Well, because of untold or their recent breakthrough, it's not been possible. Right now, the competition is non-existent because it's totally unique method. Uh, Guys, I have attached the bonus page in the description box. So this is how the bonus page looks like. So if you click on the link in the description for the bonus page, this site opens up. So you can grab all of my bonuses. These are custom made bonuses especially for you, made for you. Yeah, let's take a look again in the sales page. So in the test one, they have given the results of $227. In test two, they have run 25 hours and they have made $546. In test 3, they have made a software run and they have in 41 hours and made $900. So it looks like they have attached a lot of proof. Alright, these software can exactly be used by teenager teachers, doctors, mechanic shop assistants, office workers, IT professionals, sales assistants, stay-at-home dads, single mothers, old age pensions, anyone including you. So just in two steps. Step one, activate. Step two, and you can relax. So this is a brand new app, which is you should use the same app that pays 21.63 dollar per hour. So you can enjoy their passive results, zero learning curve, no technical skills required, faster results. It's literally set and forget, perfect as a side gig or full time at time freedom. So you can, if quicker you grab this, quicker you get the results. So these this is what you will get in the Delta right now. What are the things you're going to get? This is activate the same app that makes us them $21.63 per hour. No, so no technicals or required. Works for you complete internet beginners. They 3 figure a day tutorials included. So final breakthrough to the results. So the Delta software contains of the brand new Delta software. So one click app legally explodes Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp. So over the shoulder video tutorials. Then they are providing you ready fire profit guide worth $47. They are giving you live chat support worth $297. Two steps to 151. It's worth of $37. So call to millions, that is worth $397. The live training, the worth of this is $297. So all right, so you can check out my bonus page in the description box. So this is how the bonus page looks like. You can purchase the product by clicking on in any of these orange boxes. So if you click on this orange box, it takes you directly to the website page or the sales page. So the price of this is they have 6 OTOs. So the front end price is $70. $70. The world's first one-click Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram app pays them to $21.63 per hour. So the next upsell is Delta Unlimited Edition. Value of this is $47. The unlimited edition of Delta has multiple templates, unlimited usages, unlimited traffic. Some sales. It also comes with additional tutorials. So the upsell to Delta done for you edition. The value of this is $297. In this upgrade, their system completely sets up the initial system for you. So Delta 3 Autopilot Edition, $39, will be able to activate all the automation tools with Delta. Now upsell 3 Delta Unlimited Traffic, $197. You will get their link with added to their rotatory for 500 to 1000 clicks. And upsell 5 Delta Apex Edition, $47. You'll be able to scale to up to $1000 an hour with Delta. So you can grab all of my bonuses. These are the custom made bonuses especially made by me. So the bonus number 1, you can get the push click commissions. So bonus number 2, instant cash jackpot. Bonus number 3, piggy cash system. Bonus number 4, tube commission loophole. Learn how to explore YouTube for massive pay days. Bonus number 5, evergreen commission mission done for you plus 10 into your results with it also. Bonus number 6, secret commission mission. Bonus number 7, secret traffic goldmine. Bonus number 8, commission snatch. So all of these above bonuses will instantly available inside of your account 100% free if you purchase from my link. So I have attached to the sales page link in the description box also. You can purchase from that too. You can also purchase from my bonus page too. So they are giving you a bonus of 5 worthy bonuses. So bonus number 1, it can get results in the first 7 minutes. Bonus number 2, 3 ways bank with Delta. Bonus number 3, 10x year end bundle. Bonus number 4, X Musk's cash system. Bonus number 5, how we scale Delta to 10x, 10k per month. They have attached the ClickBank site daily snapshot. Also, I have attached the alright. The Delta suite comes with Delta Send, Delta Host, Delta Page, Delta Funnels, Delta Cloud. So if you purchase from their link right now, you can save $79. So the price usually increases day by day. So if as soon as you purchase, it's better. So they are also providing money back guarantee. So these are the things they are providing you. So brand new Delta software worth $67 per month, autopilot $59.7 per hour, over the shoulder tutorials, ready fire project profit guide, live chat support, 3-step to $420.95 in 8 hours, call to millions, the live training, free bonuses 1, results in first 5 minutes, free bonus 2, 3 ways we bank with Prime, bonus number 3, 2021 year end bundles, bonus number 4, X Christmas cash kit, bonus number 5, how we sell to 100k per month, gift 1, they are providing $300 a day ClickBank site in first 200, gift $297 plus $1,197 ATM first 100, gift 3 $98k in 7 days DFY funnel, gift $400 non-FF DFY system first 30. So 365-day money back guarantee, get results or get paid $250. So total value of this is 11,309. So you're going to get it for $70. So you can click purchase from this link also, or else you can purchase from my bonus link also. So for grab to get all of my bonuses, you should need to buy from this orange box, any of this orange boxes, then it directly takes you to the sales page and you can purchase the product from that link. So to grab all of my bonuses quickly, thank you, see you in next video.